Arenal Volcano National Park, and you guys have to hear the sound that's coming out of this animal. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's
that was
insane.
timed.
I find it sounds like a computer generator.
God damn it.
Vamos! I'm getting in trouble because I'm walking too slow. I'm just walking a little bit slower because I want to make sure that I show you guys everything. And it's also my very first time like officially trying to vlog, and I'm trying to balance vlogging and Insta stories, and it's really hard. Like I don't know how all of you guys do it, but it's actually really tough to juggle both and figure out what you're going to share where. So I'm working on it. Just hang in there with me. Quick update, they're freaking out over a tarantula. I couldn't be more terrified over tarantulas. I feel like I should show you guys just because some of you guys are probably interested in this.
Can you overcome your fear?
Oh, he's coming out, he's coming out.
First time ever seeing a tarantula.
That was your first time?
Yeah.
That was, yes.
It's different to see them in real life.
It's different to see them in real life, and funny thing, my boyfriend actually used to have a tarantula at home, which thank God that was before I met him. Good morning, guys. We just got up. We are grabbing a quick breakfast at our hotel, Arenal, and then we're actually going to the hanging bridges this morning, which is gonna be so cool. I've been wanting to do this since I was in Costa Rica last time 2 years ago, and I didn't get a chance to. Guys, we just got to our first hanging bridge. It's so cool. We're so high up into the like rainforest jungle. Mel is standing still because she found a sloth, so she is not moving, but I'm gonna show you. This is Mel's current state. I don't know if she's frozen or just like in awe. I think it's very bad. We're about to jump on a horse. We are going horseback riding today. It's going to be amazing. We've got the view of the volcano, and we're actually going to be horseback riding to a waterfall. So just for the purpose of this video, I can't take all of my gear with me, so I'm going to leave the vlog camera back home. It made the video. For purpose of just being a little bit easier, I'm just going to take my camera with me and my phone, and I'm going to show you guys some footage after this. Here we go. We are finally getting out of the car. So we've made it to the ferry. It was a 3-hour drive from Arenal to the ferry. Now it's a 1-hour ferry over to the other side, which is the peninsula, and then probably like a 30 to 45 minute drive to Santa Teresa. Already you can feel how much warmer it is right here. Cheers. Cheers. We've just arrived in Santa Teresa, and the first order of business is definitely getting myself a taco. I came to this restaurant 2 years ago, and I am still dreaming about the fish burrito, so I really hope it tastes the same. I'm super excited. Hi, Mel! Did you know what you're gonna order? No. No? I already know. It's not on this menu, but I'm ordering. Fish burrito. Endless guacamole, which we devoured. Are you satisfied?
Oh my god, I'm so full. It's so good.
It's so good. This burrito is just as good as I remember it. Aren't you a cute little one, hey? Hey.
Pita?
Oh, yeah, is that good? So we had an amazing first morning here. We got up at 7 a.m. We went for a 2-hour surf lesson, which was incredible. Now we finished breakfast. Mel and I are just gonna do a quick little shooting, so I might just leave the camera going so you guys can see a little behind the scenes of us at work. Guys, We made it to the Montezuma waterfall. It's like a little 10-minute trek to get here, but this view is actually incredible, and you can actually go up to the top, and there's another layer of the waterfall that you can actually jump down. This one's way too big to jump. Alex just did an incredible backflip off of the rocks right behind him.
Yes. And now we're trying to get to a bigger spot.
Yeah, getting all the way up there.
Lisa is going to jump it. Oh no? Well, we'll see.
It's very late, but we had such a thrilling day, starting off with surfing and then going to the waterfall, and now a very late lunch, and then dinner, yoga. We still have yoga, oh my god. We just got back from a second day of surfing. Amazing surf class. Our instructor Armando was fantastic. I'm sorry I didn't vlog any of it. I was obviously in the water, but I will show you guys some footage from it. Feeling of just being able to get up onto a surfboard again. Haven't surfed for 2 years, so I'm super, super happy.
When I'm feeling your love, it's like I can't give up and I can't let go. Won't give up my
Yay!
when I'm broken
Something
down
else?
and I'm bruised. I'm gonna give myself back home to you.
It's so sad we're checking out of Pranamar today. We are leaving Santa Teresa. Surfing 3 days in a row is amazing. If you guys have not checked out this area of Costa Rica, I really, really, really suggest it. It's unlike anything else. So we're just waiting for the ferry. I am ingesting some images here, which is
Where did you learn the word?
it's a new word that Alex has taught us. So ingesting is when you're importing files. I usually just say I'm downloading, but we are ingesting files. We are waiting for the ferry. I know I look like, I don't know what I look like, but I'm very salty still. We haven't showered from our morning surf, and we're just trying to get as much work done as possible before we hop on the ferry back to San Jose. So at the beginning of this trip, I told Mario all I wanted to see was a giant avocado the size of my face. They're huge, guys, huge.
Yeah, they have one for us too, so we can all.
We're in the car on the way to the airport. We are so sad that our trip has come to an end. We had the best time. We had the best time. There are highlights, wait. Okay, surfing second day. Montezuma waterfall. Yeah, that was pretty amazing. Oh, octopus in your hand. I didn't show you guys. I didn't have the camera with me, but there was like a baby octopus like this big and just in my hand. And this feels face. It was the best. She was like Other amazing things that we got up to were horseback riding, going to the hot springs, seeing the volcano. Yeah, just being on the beach, surfing again in the same waters, same beach that I learned how to surf was super cool. All the dogs that kind of just sit on the beach and wait for their owners to come back from their surf lesson. It's like super special. And amazing food. Everything is very farm to table. So if you guys haven't been to Costa Rica, I definitely suggest, or we suggest that you guys check it out. That's it, guys. We're heading home. Bye.